friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the speed test comparison between the Poco X3 Pro versus the iQOO 7 device. Snapdragon 860 processor versus Snapdragon 870 processor, friends. Let's see which phone will be the clear winner. Obviously, the Snapdragon 870 will be the winner, but let's see how much difference can it make from the Snapdragon 860 to the Snapdragon 870. So during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use this 10 games right now, as you can see. So I'm not trying to use any kind of game turbo nor the ultra game mode. So I won't use any kind of game boosters. So I just want to see which phone can actually store more number of games in the background in the RAM management. That is my main purpose of doing this kind of video. So first let's start with the basic test, which is a reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. That's what I'm going to check first. And 1, 2, 3. So here we go, friends. I did do the restart at same time, and in case if you want me to do any other further comparison between both phones, so make sure to know, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll try to do those kind of testings as soon as possible on this both phones. And so many users, because of the not having that much of a budget to buy the iQOO 7 device, they're actually planning to buy the Poco X3 Pro for the gaming. So my main focus will be testing the Poco X3 Pro for the next few days and certifying it whether it's good for the gaming or not. So right now the iQOO 7 device did turn on first in this kind of reboot test. So both phones are the 8GB RAM variants. Yes, perfectly 8GB RAM variants. Let me know to clear all the background applications, everything. As you can see, friends, 8GB RAM variant. And I did turn on the external RAM capabilities in the iQOO 7 device. Yes. So there's external RAM option, which I also turned on, as you can see exactly. And both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me know to double check whether it's connected or not to the same Wi-Fi. I'll try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network at this moment. As you can see, same Wi-Fi I have connected, as you can see, friends, clearly. Now clearing everything from the background. Now let me try to open those 10 games. Let's see which phone will be able to open these 10 games faster. So it's going to be really interesting, friends, and this is my first time doing this kind of speed test with the Poco X3 Pro. Even I don't have any kind of clue on the Poco X3 Pro, to be frank, so how much faster it can actually perform. So let's see Snapdragon 860 versus Snapdragon 870. So this is going to be really interesting, and both phones turned on at same time. That's kind of really good to see. Not bad, both phones. Yep. And the login we got, I think first, I think both phones are kind of same kind of login, but it's logging in first in the Poco X3 device because the account already got logged in another phone. That is the reason this iQOO 7 device not able to log in. So now both phones did open the BGMI game, as you can see. Let's open the FIFA. Let's see, friends, I'm not trying to use any kind of launcher, nothing. So this is a default launcher I'm trying to use during this time of demonstration. So all these things actually matters when I'm trying to do this kind of speed test. That's the reason I don't want to jeopardize any way. So by involving any kind of third-party launchers. So right now it did open first in the iQOO 7 device, Snapdragon 870 processor, not bad. So let me go to the home screen and let's see what is happening in the Poco X3 Pro. In the Poco X3 Pro, something weird is happening that I did feel some kind of lag while playing some games. Yes, in the Poco X3 Pro. I'll try to mention those kind of things later. So these are Candy Crush game. So both phones not bad at same time, and Angry Birds. Let's see the Angry Birds, which phone can actually open faster. And slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device. So Snapdragon 870 is slightly faster, I think so. Little bit, but not much, just a little bit. It should be kind of, no, the Poco X3 did open the logo first. Poco X3 Pro. Wow, that's fantastic, friends, as you can see. So the Poco X3 Pro did first. That's kind of good. So Snapdragon 860 and 870, friends, you can see the difference. So in terms of the speed test, I think sometimes the Poco X3 Pro can also be first. That's kind of good to know, and I'll try to do the applications test as well. So normal everyday applications test, I'll try to do those kind of testings very soon. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to do those kind of in-depth testings. Now this is a Getaway 2 game. Let's see which phone will be able to open faster this game. And very soon Poco X3 Pro did open game first. Wow, that's fantastic. Not bad at all. Poco X3 Pro. Very soon I'll try to do the live streaming using the iQOO 7. So make sure to stay tuned for those live streaming in case if you're interested. So right now Temple Run, let's see first in the iQOO 7 a little bit, not much. So next is Ace Force. Let's see this game, which phone can actually open this pop-up on the login on the top. That is what I'm going to check, the login page. Let's see. So both are taking same amount of time, and first I think it's same time, not bad. At same time they both did, not bad. And I think even the Poco X3 Pro is not bad, friends. For the 20,000 price range, you are getting really close performance like the Snapdragon 870. That's kind of good. Now I did open all the 10 games in the background. As you can see, completely 10 games were there in the background. As you can see from the Battleground India, so that game and everything is there in the background. As you can see, perfectly done. Now let me need to start opening the games from the one by one, starting from the back side. Yes, it will be obviously will there, and let's move to the S4s, and yep, and Temple Run, not bad. And next is Getaway 2, not bad at all. Yep. And you can observe something is weird is going on. It's getting refreshed every time I go to the home screen. Something it's kind of refreshing. I'm not sure why, but smash it. Perfect. 5 games loaded in the Poco X3 Pro, friends. That's fantastic. Next, check the Subway Surf. Wow, that's kind of good. Not bad. Angry Birds. That's also good, friends. Angry Birds also open in the Poco X3 Pro, and the Candy Crush. Fantastic. So till here, if any phone comes till here, I would say definitely out of 100% I can give definitely 80% of the rating. So reaching these 2 games will be kind of really tough choice for the few phones, I would say, because those are kind of really high size big games. That is the reason only few phones will be able to do this kind of thing. As you can see, the iQOO 7 did it. So which is very easy task for the iQOO 7. It's not much a big deal, I would say. As you can see, friends, that's kind of really great. Yes, I can definitely appreciate the Poco X3 Pro. Still, it did perform really great opening till this application, Candy Crush. So some mobile phones, even with this kind of range, they did not perform really great. But still, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think 8 games keeping in the background memory in the Poco X3 Pro. That's really good in terms of the speed test. Now let's do the random test. So random speed test, let me try to select some games. Randomly I'm trying to select, see which phone will perform how. Not bad. I'm trying to check whether the Poco X3 Pro has got this kind of games in the background memory or not. No. One game gone. No, that's also not there in the background. Temple Run, no, it's not there in the background. And Subway Surf, it's there in the background. Angry Birds, it's there, not bad. And Candy Crush, it's there. I'm just trying to do the random kind of test. So random test also sometimes it does help. And this is the quick review, friends, on this using this kind of games in the testing the speed test and testing the RAM management and multitasking. So overall, we did find out that 8 games did open properly in the Poco X3 Pro. That's kind of good, but definitely I'll try to do the applications test as well, using 20 applications and 30 applications testing in the background memory. That is another thing which is pending. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to come up with those kind of speed test results. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until stay tuned for more updates on this both phones. In case if you have any other queries, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.